Let's explore how we can use the Copilot inside Microsoft Word. I got this Word document and I copied this article from a different websites and compiled one document. And now I'm using the Copilot on it. So how can we use Copilot inside the Word? So here is the option. You can see here's a button. I click on a Copilot. So it automatically give me some prompt. For example, summarize this document, generate audio overview from this document. How can I concisely describe the time management, right? So it give me some sample. So first of all, I am going to see what it can be summarized. So I ask him to summarize this document and I put enter. It has numbers 3-4 points where it pick, and if I click on a point 3, it take me to that location from where it picks. So here is the option for insert. So wherever is the cursor, the summary generated by Copilot is inserted at that location. So I'm going at the end of document, click here, press enter, then I click insert. So you can see the summary, whatever it generated, it pasted inside the document. So here is the more options are available. For example, make the summary more formal, make the summary more casual. So casual and formal is a tune. So I am saying that write more casual. So in this way you can generate, and you can see it gives me another prompt that I make it even shorter and more informal. So I can do this, and there is another option that highlights only the main takeaway. I click on, so it again go to read the document, and here it gives more short highlights. And again list me 3 inside only. When I click on it, it gives me only 3. In this way you can use Copilot to summarize your document, and whatever you summarize you can also insert into the document itself. See you in another video.